Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your name to your Ubisoft account. So once you create a Ubisoft account, generally it doesn't take your name and you may need to go ahead and add that in because it may shows not specified. But to do this is super easy. Let me show you how. Once you sign into your account, click your account on the upper right, then click on account management. And then on this account management page, you may need to change your language as the first thing if it's not showing a language that you understand. Now go ahead and scroll down to the lower right and click on the language there and change it to something of your choice. Now scroll back up, click on account information, then scroll down, you'll find private information here and you can see the name that it's not specified. Click on edit and go ahead and enter your first and last name. So let's say I want to say Drew and I want to say tutorial, for example. I can go ahead and enter that, and if I want to specify my gender as well, I can go ahead and I can specify that as well. Right now, go ahead and scroll down and click on save. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.